Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be working on a marinated chicken and cooking on a George Foreman grill. So, well, first we're going to have to make the marinade. So, and what you're going to need for this? Well, first, of course, we're going to need some chicken. I'm going to take 3 of these, cut them in half. So it'll be about six chicken breast halves. All right. What you're going to need for the marinade is a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of cooking sherry, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 3 garlic cloves or 3 teaspoons of the minced. Get this already in a jar. Get that in the produce aisle too. Saves you some time of messing around with garlic and mincing it up yourself, and it's pretty good. The fresh garlic's probably a lot better. Alright, so and also what you're going to need, of course, cutting board, knife to cut the chicken, and a bowl to mix the stuff up, and a bag to put it in after you get it mixed up. So let's get this going and see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out the way it did the other time I made this. So let's go ahead and get this done. Okay guys, before I cut the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and mix the marinade up. So what you're going to need, we're going to put in the soy sauce here. And we're going to put in the oil. So half a cup of the oil. And a tablespoon of the cooking sherry. This already smells good. And then we'll put in the brown sugar. And all that goodness in there. And of course then we'll put in the minced garlic. Alright guys. Let's get all this over here. And get our, we're going to get it all mixed in here really good. Now I'm going to set that over there for the time being. We're going to wash our hands. Okay guys, now we're gonna get our chicken out here. Trim off the, be very careful. This knife ain't as quite as sharp as I would like it to be, but I'm gonna work a little bit on trimming off the fat a little bit. Okay. And we're just gonna work on trimming this in half. All right. Wait. Yep. Okay. We'll just set it back over here for the time being. We'll trim off this, trim the fat a little bit. Okay. Need to get me a little bit sharper knives here. Okay. And we're gonna be very careful. I'm gonna cut ourselves. There we go. That worked a little bit better. Alright. We'll get our next piece here. Ain't too bad of cutting the fat off of this one. And I'm just gonna cut that off right here. Okay, there we go. And leave that on there. Okay, and we're gonna be careful here, get it started. Alright, there we go. Got our chicken halves. So I'm going to go wash my hands again here. Alright, definitely want to make sure that you keep your hands washed. And give this marinade a good stir. Okay, then we're gonna open up our bag. I'm gonna put the marinade in there. We're gonna put in our chicken. All right. Get it all in here. Squeeze a little bit to get the bag out. Okay. I'm gonna give it a good shake. Whoop. The bag didn't seal quite right. All right. Well, that's why I wear the apron. Still change out my shirt after this too. Alright, we're gonna give it a good shake here. Get it all good and coated. Put it around. Alright. I'm gonna rinse the bag out since I had it sitting where the chicken was sitting. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for okay. Air out. That should get a good marinade here. We're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And I'll see you guys in 4 hours then. Okay guys, I got these all marinated up. They've been sitting in there for several hours. And I'm gonna go ahead. I got the George Foreman grill here all heated up. We're gonna open it up. If you don't have one of these, I recommend you get one. because these are great. I've actually I have 3 of these, and every one of them's been given to me by somebody. So, friends and everything. Gosh, this chicken smells good. Thing is, I've lost the thing for every one of them, so I'm using a plate here. You just lay this chicken down on here. Let's sit it down here. Give it a good 5 minutes and everything and see how it all turns out. I'll see you guys in a few minutes after this gets done cooking. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes. One thing I like about the George Foreman grill, it cooks on both sides. Look at this, this is beautiful. That thing just turned out so good. We're gonna gently turn this over though. And I'll corner it a little bit like that. And we're gonna put it back down here, but it is cooking good, it smells good. You know, it'll look already done. But I'm going to cook it for a few more minutes here to make sure, but it is good. Okay guys, let's take a look at this and see what it's like. Oh, look at that. That is just beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. That just looks so good. I'm going to sit that right here on the plate and let it cool a little bit. I'm going to take these two, sit them over on this other plate. But these just look so good. And then we're going to put these other ones on here and let them cook. And then I'm going to wash my hands and do a taste test of this and see how this chicken turned out. Just look at that. That just put some more on there, huh? That's just good. Put this over here too. And put this down here. Alright, I'll get some cleaner and clean that off too. We're going to let this cook and I'm going to give this a taste after it cools down a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, here's the chicken. I let it cool down for a little bit. While the other ones are cooking, I'm going to give this a try and see how it turned out. It's nice and moist, looks good. So here we go. Oh my. This is nice, moist. Tastes really good. Definitely glad I made it. And George Foreman grill cooks it in half the time because it cooks in both sides. But I still cooked it about 5 minutes on each side, and it just turned out great. Let's look at that. Nice color, nice flavor. So I'm gonna enjoy having this for dinner here. Okay guys. Take time to comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. And I also do taste test videos. I do sightseeing and adventure videos, and and little vlogs here and there. So you guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys next video. I'm going to finish enjoying my dinner, and you know, you guys can also add this with the broccoli that I made, and I'll link below to that one. So alright, see you guys next video. Oh my.